Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel with the cooking vlogs, DIYs. So yeah, the thing is, I'm in this beautiful house, amazing house. It's like a tree house, but okay, it's an apartment, but the way it's decorated is like a tree house, so it's just beautiful and amazing. I'm feeling like oh wow, I'm just blessed and thankful. Yeah, so today I'll be sharing with you like a day in my life, the one I did at the last apartment, and now I'm in another apartment. I'll be doing a day in my life. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy and like the video. So now we are done with breakfast. Next, I'm going to wash the dishes, just do some cleaning, then go take shower. Yeah, I'm those kind of people who take shower after eating, because if I take breakfast if I take breakfast fast, hey, next thing I'll be doing is like the bed will be calling my name. I'll be feeling like so sleepy. So I prefer to take breakfast, then go shower so that I can feel fresh. So yeah, now let's go clean the plates. Let's go, guys.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy
tale. Guys, what I'm doing exactly, I just want to take some pictures in the house. So I'm just doing my makeup. So follow the tutorial on your own risk. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just doing what I think I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. So let me just do what I think, what I usually see on YouTube people do. Did I contour anything? No. But
perfect 10? What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
forgive. Well, you know what it's like. That's why I'm better